Hey guys, welcome to today's cleaning video. I am super excited about today's cleaning video because I got a new cordless vacuum that I cannot wait to share with you guys about. A few of you guys have been asking me about the cordless vacuum that I use, and since I got a new one, and this one is a lot cheaper than a previous one that I've been using, I definitely wanted to share this one with you guys. Also, they just emailed me and told me that today, that this video is out, Wednesday, March 17th, this vacuum is also on sale. So that's why I wanted to get this video out for you guys, and I promise this vacuum is amazing. It is called the Acum Cordless vacuum, and I love it because it has this wall mount, so you can have it up and off of your floor, out of the way with all of your other things. And we have it here in our laundry room. It's really easy to get to, and it has so many different attachments. This is the T-brush attachment. This one might be one of my favorites. It's actually a mattress attachment, and it has a UV light built into it so that you can kill the mites in your mattress. How amazing is that? I cannot wait to use that, or on your couch. This is a square brush for tight little areas. This is the mini brush. I like to use this on my stairs or in my car, which I'll show you guys in a minute. And then there's also a flat suction one that I didn't have out there, and then the regular floor brush that I have on already. And you can see how easy it is. You just press a button and the attachments come on and off, super duper easy. And the reason I like this too, here I am cleaning out all of the crumbs in the car. Look how easy this is. I love this because you can pull the trigger to turn it on and then pull the trigger to turn it off, and you don't have to hold the trigger the entire time you're cleaning. So you just press it one time and it stays on until you press it off. This prevents you from having a hand cramp. I feel like in the last few vacuums I've had, you've had to hold down the trigger, and that was a little bit uncomfortable. So I'm switching to the mini brush now so that I can vacuum the floor. Yes, there is melted crayon in my car, but you can see how good the suction is on this vacuum. The suction is amazing. I am very, very pleased. And the canister that holds the crumbs and the hair and all the dirt and everything is huge, so I like that as well. Empty out the canister, you just press one button and it all comes out. Super easy, mess-free, and that is it. Here we are in Jackson's room. I'm just opening up his blinds. It was still morning time. I'm making his bed, getting his clothes so that he can get dressed, all of that fun stuff that I do in all the kids' rooms every single morning. But I'm excited because I'm actually going to show you guys my new couch that I got. I talked about this a few weeks ago, and they told us it was going to take 3 to 8 weeks for our new sectional to come in. And it just took over 3 weeks. We finally have it, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. I haven't even shared it on my House of Hunts channel yet. There was a little sneak peek on Instagram, but I'm excited to share it with you, so stay to the end of the video so you can see it. Also, here is a little sneak peek of the new playroom. I am doing a total makeover up here, and I'm filming it for my House of Hunts channel. But in the next few cleaning videos, you will see this room kind of transform a little bit. And this is kind of right in the middle of the transformation. So this is not what it's going to look like at the end. and I'm excited to share that with you. So it does look a little different if you're wondering, but I'm just picking up a few of the kids' toys. Like I said in the last cleaning video, it's a little hard to clean up in an area where you are kind of in the middle of like redecorating or reorganizing, but I'm just trying to pick up a little bit before lunchtime. The little kids are done eating lunch and I am letting them pick out a treat. We still have candy from Valentine's Day, so I'm trying to let them have one little piece of candy each day so that they can get through this candy. We can get it out of the house. And then I'm just gonna clean up from lunch. That includes doing a little bit of dishes and wiping down the counter. And I always wipe down the counter first before I vacuum, and I've been super excited to vacuum after meals with my new vacuum. I can't wait to show you guys how well it sucks up some of these crumbs. Another thing I noticed about this vacuum is how quiet it is. At first, I was thinking, oh, this vacuum is really quiet. It's probably not going to suck anything up, but it does the opposite. It's quiet and it has a really good suction, which is really important to me. It also has a boost button where you can press the boost button and I guess the suction gets better, but honestly, I haven't had to push the button at all and it works great. It sucks up Cheerios, it sucks up goldfish, it sucks up dog hair, it sucks up all sorts of crumbs, it sucks up leaves. There was a leaf on the ground and it sucked it right up. I actually didn't even mean for it to suck it up, but the vacuum got so close that it just sucked it right up. So I definitely recommend this vacuum if you guys have pets or children who like to make crumbs on the ground. As you can see here, I'm picking up the big crumbs and a little squeeze pack that someone threw on the floor. But all the rest of these crumbs that you can see, these are cracker crumbs and that just comes up effortlessly. So definitely recommend this vacuum. And again, dumping out the canister is just this simple. Look how easy that is. Super easy and quick, and then you can go put it back on the wall and charge it right up for the next time you're ready to use it. And now I'm getting my mop out to mop. This was a Friday that I filmed this, so I like to vacuum the entire house. That includes the bathrooms and everything, and then go behind and mop. And I love this mop. I'm just getting some hot water. I pour a little tiny bit of Pine Sol in the bucket. You actually don't need any cleaning products for this particular vacuum, or not vacuum, mop, because it has a microfiber cloth on it, which cleans itself, so you don't need a cleaner. But I actually love the smell of this lavender Pine Sol, and it makes the whole house smell good. So that's the only reason why I dump kind of just a little tiny bit in there. And then I go and I just mop around the house. right, guys, here is our new couch. We are absolutely loving it, and it is the perfect color, and it just brightens up the house a little bit. We joked that it kind of makes the house look a little bit smaller because the couch is so big, but we are getting used to it. It is super comfortable, and we love it a lot. So I hope that you guys enjoy it too. I am going to be sharing a house tour soon once the playroom is done and with this new couch. But you guys got to see it first, which is exciting. If you guys want to check out the Acum vacuum, I will leave the links down in the description. Like I said, there is a sale going on right now. I'm not sure exactly when it's going to end. So if you are interested in this vacuum, I definitely recommend it, and I will leave those links down in the description for you guys to check it out yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!